How to activate P-EBT card. Follow these instructions. Find the customer service phone number on the back of your P-EBT card or visit your state's official EBT website. Call the number or go to the website shown on the card to begin the activation process for your new P-EBT card. Enter your full 19-digit card number exactly as it appears on the front of your P-EBT card when prompted. When asked, enter only the last 4 digits of the zip code where you received the P-EBT card in the mail. Provide the date of birth of your oldest eligible child listed on the P-EBT card to verify your identity. Create and confirm a 4-digit PIN that you'll use when making purchases at stores that accept EBT payments. After completing the steps, your card is now active and can be used immediately to buy eligible food items.
Thank you for watching.